stop what you're doing and listen to this. Tech gadgets. So fun to have them, but there is some good news when it comes to how much it will cost you. Prices on many items are expected to go down, but how much? We have Colin Barnes from Best Buy here to give us the scoop. Glad to have you with us. I've been looking forward to this segment. Okay, let's start with this. What is this and what is the price?
This is the iPhone 3GS. This is one of the older models of the iPhone, but it has gone down to $49.99.
That's really impressive. A big saver, because how much was it?
Well, I believe when they first started out, they're around $199. And off contract, they can cost more, but on contract, because of the deals with Verizon going on, they've continued to go down in price.
Okay, a really big savings there. This is also a really great product, I think. Tell us about this one.
This is the Kindle e-reader. It's meant to read books digitally. So you've got a digital screen on here, but it looks just like paper. It's currently at $139. It could go down in price though later this year. We'll just have to wait and see.
We'll have to watch this one. I think a lot of people will be interested in that. Tell us about these items.
So both these are different ways of storage. This is a memory card that's often used in a camera, and this is an external hard drive. Both these would be very important to back up all those important files, music, movies, pictures of the family. And with the way they're going down in cost, I would highly recommend them for anybody, especially when you want to back up those important things.
What type of savings are we seeing with these items?
Well, these are just continuing to drop in price, just depending on how much storage you're wanting to look at. We've got these starting around $30 for a 16 gig. It used to cost that much for an 8 gig, just about a year ago. So
another great saving. Who can't use a new camera?
Absolutely. And DSLRs are continuing to go down in price. They used to be a hobbyist type of thing, just the experts would have them. But with so many parents and family members wanting to take good pictures of the kids doing sports, they're really starting to come down in price and be more popular.
Okay, this might be an investment. I'm interested. How much money will I save?
Well, I mean, they used to go for thousands of dollars. You can get one like this for $4.99 now.
Really?
So, and they're continuing to go down in price.
Oh,
so that's just a continuing thing.
We'll talk about this one later. Okay, tell me about this Blu-ray. I love to watch movies, too.
Insignia Blu-ray player, you can get one like this that's going to have access to Netflix, Pandora, digital music,
love it,
internet, and they used to cost again hundreds of dollars. They're starting at around $100 or less now.
$100 for a Blu-ray DVD?
As much as a regular DVD player used to be, and now they're continuing to go down in price.
Oh wow, this is just so exciting to me. Okay, now tell me about this GPS. Everyone should have one in this day and age.
Absolutely.
What were they going for, and what can we expect to pay in the coming year?
Well, some of them started around the $300, $400 range. Over the holidays, they started to go down. We've got some going in the $100 range and even less than $100 range now.
Okay, good stuff. Last but not least, we got about 30 seconds here. Laptop. Just had to make this purchase myself, and I saved big. How much are people saving on computers right now?
Tremendously. Laptops, despite everything going on in the economy, laptops are continuing to drop in price. You can get, even a high-end one like this for $4.99, and they're going to just continue to drop throughout the year.
Good stuff. Can't wait to do a little shopping for myself. And I'm going to put this information on the website for people because I think it's very valuable. Appreciate you coming on.
Absolutely.
And we'll be right back.